Pietro! Ava has the question!
I'm having trouble figuring out this problem. Can you help?
Oh, that's easy. This problem has to do with limits, but before we get into that, we should talk about the basics of a function. A function shows the relationship between an input and an output. It is represented by f of x, where x is a placeholder for a certain value to be plugged in. There are different types of functions, including implicit, explicit, and piecewise functions that we can talk about later. Functions are also included in the basic concepts of calculus, like limits and derivatives. Now on to the actual problem. Limits are the basics of all calculus. It describes how a function behaves near a point instead of at that point. It shows how the function will behave. It's a fancy way of saying ignoring what happens when we get there, but as we get closer and closer, the answer gets closer and closer to -3. For this one, all you have to do is factor the top, simplify, then plug in the value that you are approaching.
I'm still not sure that I understand.
Here, this might help you get it.
You're listening to DJ Jeff.
Hey students, try this. Guarantee you'll learn count. Here is our pitch. Trying to squeeze this theorem sandwich.
I'm for English, I'm saying.
We are here learning functions. 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 I ain't got time for English, I'm saying. We are here learning functions. 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 I ain't got time for English, I'm saying. We are here learning functions.
You're learning functions, kids. Limits are the base of all calculus. You're messing my approach and trying to reach C. Plug the value in and you'll get -3. You gotta simplify, keeping it organized. You need to memorize. Go ahead and recognize. We approach and we identify the direct substitution. Back to top to bottom, a 2 in that solution. Only 2 to listen to is Mr. J. Limits running through his veins like DNA. Showing students how functions behave. Limits going up, you can call it concave. You think you're Newton? I can find a limit, no problem. Use a Jazmine, graph it in, solve them. Word candy, LIMIT. Think about taking a derivative, 1 to 5, B or B.
Hey students, try this. Guarantee you'll learn count. Here is our pitch. Trying to squeeze this theorem sandwich.
I'm for English, I'm saying.
We are here learning functions. 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 I ain't got time for English, I'm saying. We are here learning functions. 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 I ain't got time for English, I'm saying. We are here learning functions.
Wait a minute. What's a derivative?
Oh, I can help you with that. A derivative gives the slope of a line tangent to a function. There are different rules, like the power rule, the product rule, the quotient rule, and the chain rule. For a basic derivative, you multiply the constant by the exponent and subtract 1 from the exponent in the original function. If there is a constant by itself, the derivative is 0. For example, x squared minus x plus 2 will become 2x minus 1.
Oh, that makes sense.
Listen to this and it'll help you understand derivatives more.
Hey kids, derivatives. It gives the slope of the tangent line, kid. Mention a function, you should know what that looks like. Leave the x at home. You dig? Tell the exponent to take a hike. Constant so lonely and B goes like mathaholic working on that problem. Oh, I'm so tired as heck. Product rule, multiply and add, take a quick sec. Got a whole backpack full of these tools. And I'm always down to divide, quotient rule I tried. Teachers respect the product rule I'm in high school. A phony student, I never be cheating, my brain stay full. That means I study, yo. Young kid, smarter than Dar, bro. A graph, plotting on a tangent line. I'm a pro. Peace.
Hey students, try this. Guarantee you'll learn count. Here is our pitch. Trying to squeeze this theorem sandwich.
I'm for English, I'm saying.
We are here learning functions.